Hey there, welcome back to another video on our channel, and in this video we are going to check out how to hide and unhide files and folders in your PC. So let the take begin. Let's see how to hide a file in your PC. First of all, I am creating a folder and file. Here I am gonna hide a file and a folder I have created. Along with this, I am also going to hide a icon shortcut. To hide a folder, right click on the folder, select properties, head over to the general tab and check the hidden option, and then the folder gets hidden. The same thing is applicable for the file too. Right click on the file that you want to hide, select properties, head over to the general tab, check the hidden option, and your file gets hidden. Now in order to hide an icon shortcut, we have to do the same. As it is a software installed in the operating system drive, it is asking permission in order to hide the icon shortcut. So I am allowing the permission, and that's it. Your icon gets hidden. You can even hide any audio or video files with this method. Now let's check 3 most efficient ways on how to unhide any file or folder. The first method is very basic and is well known to many of the PC users. In order to unhide file in this method, first of all we are going to open File Explorer and click on the File tab. Then you have to select Change Folder and Search options. Head over to the View tab. Now select the option which has Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Now apply the settings and click on OK. And that's it. Your files are now unhidden. Now let's check another method. This is the easiest method of unhiding any type of file. In this method, you just have to open your File Explorer. Under the View tab, you will get an option to check hidden items. Click on that option and that's it. Your files are now unhidden. And now we are going to check the master method of unhiding any type of files, including the files which are hidden by the operating system. You just have to open the run command by pressing Windows plus R key and type regedit. Click on OK. Now you need to navigate to the list of locations shown on the screen. Then right click on the hidden option in the advanced directory and set the value data to 1. Hit enter. Now it will allow you to see the hidden files and folders. Now in order to hide it again, you just have to reset the value to 2 and hit enter. If you want to play with the hidden files in the Windows OS, you just have to follow the step which I am going to tell you now. If you wish to see the files and folders of operating system, you have to replace the Show Super Hidden option and turn the value to 1 by right clicking, and do the same to modify the settings as you did before. And again, if you don't wish to see the files, you just have to change the value to 2. So that's it for this video. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more interesting stuff, and don't forget to click on that bell notification icon.